Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Tiny Land Kids Teepee Tent. This teepee tent with a window and 2 inner pockets come with 13 feet star lights and a cardboard campfire toy that is an excellent choice for kids. The package includes everything you need for assembly, including 16 pine poles with 12 connectors and a carry bag. It would make a perfect gift for children who love playing and using their imagination. Made of quality and durable fabric, 60% polyester, 40% cotton. Machine washable and does not shrink easily. This canvas is thick and sturdy, ensuring it will last long. The upgraded solid pine poles make the tent more stable and durable, so kids can play in it for hours without worrying about falling apart. The kids' teepee tent is easy to assemble and has instruction paper to guide you. If put together correctly, it's pretty stable. The tent is also easily foldable and portable, so you can store it away when not in use or take it outside for photography, travel, or picnics. Tiny Land Teepee has 2 inside pockets for books or small toys to be stored away for reading or playing. It is an excellent place for kids to read books or play inside. The color is beautiful and can be decorated to suit your child's style and preferences. Our second best teepee tent is Little Dove Play Tent. Immerse any space in the soft hues and minimalist flair that effortlessly complements all kinds of decor. Our kids' tent showcases a bohemian-inspired design with dual opening curtain doors. It's a seamless blend of style and charm. The room comes with 2 windows for excellent ventilation and visibility, transforming playtime into an exciting adventure. Our play tent boasts an impressive 52 inches in length, 35 inches in width, and 51 inches in height, offering ample room for up to 3 kids and even adults to enjoy. Whether it's hosting a sleepover party, creating a cozy corner for class, or engaging in imaginative play, this tent provides the perfect space to make memories. Crafted from top-quality polyester, our playhouse stands strong for indoor and outdoor gatherings. After playtime, simply toss the tent into the washing machine for effortless cleaning. Plus, no additional tools are needed for swift assembly. The top triangular structure ensures stability, promising years of safe and joyful exploration. This enchanting kids' calming corner/reading nook becomes a hub for imaginative role-playing and captivating storytelling sessions. Please note, ensure each pole is securely connected for a snug fit of the cover over the tent structure. Third choice in our list is Vidalito Dome Camping Tent. Conical appearance, with enough space and height inside, can make people stand inside the tent without restriction. When you travel outdoors, if you need to change clothes, this tent will make you feel very convenient. You can also remove the external account for 2 installs, and you can use the outside account as a temporary dressing room, bathroom and toilet. The purchase of an Indian dome is equivalent to the purchase of 2 outdoor travel tents. This tent has a capacity of 5 to 6 people. Perfect for family camping or adventures with friends. This is the perfect family tent for any adventure. High quality, extremely lightweight, bring the Vidalito hiking tent on your next outdoor adventure, and you'll sleep soundly knowing you saved big money. Both doors and windows are 2000 DPU 3000 of high-density mesh structure design. Nylon polyester mesh doors and roof allow for great views and excellent airflow while keeping biting insects out. It is the ideal big camping tents and the 4 sides are surrounded by a big landing balcony. You can make yourself in the flower sea to enjoy various beautiful sceneries and feel the nature. Number 4 on our side is Tiny Land Lace Teepee Tent. It's perfect for creating an intimate, luxurious feel at any event. Our outdoor and indoor tent for adults is lightweight and easy to set up, making it perfect for on-the-go use. It also comes with a canvas carry bag for easy transport and storage. With the hot summer coming, this lace tent offers unrivaled breathability compared to stuffy polyester fabric tents. And can be opened on all sides to give it enough space. You can even place a mattress inside to turn it into a fairy tale style bed net. larger and more stable than a regular 4-sided teepee tent. 87 inches high, 70 inches deep, and 76 inches wide. Large enough to fit 4 adults easily. Our 5-sided teepee tent for adults is perfect for adding a touch of magic to weddings, parties, and photo shoots. It's a beautiful decoration that will make your event unforgettable. Unlike other lace fabrics that may be stiff and inelastic, our huge lace teepee is made of soft white lace fabric with rose pattern, flexible and durable, and comfortable to the touch. Our lace teepee tent can be used almost anywhere, from cozy rooms to outdoor backyards, beaches, and camping. Last in our top 5 best teepee tent list is Samba Baby Teepee Tent. These girls' teepee tents are made of 100% natural, non-toxic, unpainted canvas. The kid plays with teepee tents. Poles are made of sturdy pine wood and are free of chemical odors and harmful substances. This baby tent will be your child's playhouse for many years. Boys' tent size is 47 by 47 by 59 inches. This kid's tent is the best toys for little girls/boys. This teepee tent comes with natural wooden poles and plastic connectors to withstand any kid's inquisitive play. All seams, raw fabric edges, and openings lead to fastness and durability, which can safeguard your child's safety and be fit for years of safe play. Wooden poles are sanded to prevent splinters. There is a flap door and a mesh window for easy ventilation. This princess play tent is the best gift for a child. An inner pocket lets kids store beloved dolls, books and snacks. It's easy to assemble if you follow the packaged instructions. And this canvas teepee can be conveniently assembled by an adult alone. You can have fun installing the kids' toys tent with your kids. Best gifts for your little boys or girls. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.